They're shooting at you! Forget it. We're all alive, guys. That's all that counts.
Clear.
Corners, guys.
This shit is the best way up.
It's the fastest. No time to explore any options.
Wait till you see the terrace view.
Oh, I expect to be blown away. Shut up. Eyes peeled.
Before Staff Sergeant.
Gotta cut the leg. You gotta do what? Wrecker, come here!
Get over there, Wrecker. I got this. Go!
Wrecker, I need your help!
Ah.
animal stuck in a trap will chew off its own leg to survive. Come on! The bone's powder, just flesh and uniform keeping me here. Do it! Cut it now!
We gotta go.
Is he dead?
He's not dead, he's just passed out. You're the combat lifesaver, man. You should know this, Pat.
It was like a 3-hour course! Incoming! Down! Down!
Let's go, let's go! Chopper's coming back around, let's go!
Hey, these Asperjohnny's all right, huh? Come on, in! You're gonna be okay, Dunn. You're gonna be okay. We're gonna get you out. You're gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
He's the boss, man. You're damn right it's gonna be okay. Let's go! Wrecker, take the wheel!
Fortress, this is Tombstone. Our evac is gone. Need another way out. Do you copy? Copy, Fortress, en route. Where's the chopper?
Don't know, I'm looking.
Shit, my leg. My wife's gonna kill me.
Done. Breathe. Lost too much blood. Hurry!
If the intel we got is right about Admiral Chang and the Russians, none of us is going home. Anyone else here in the elevator bars with Dixie?
Just hang in there. Speed up, that sun's going into shock.
Pat, what's happening?
Lost too much blood. Hurry!
Great. This is just fucking great.
Here it comes! Record, we shrink it.
Not fucking likely. Where the fuck is it? Where'd it go? You don't see it?
Didn't see where the heck it went.
There, I see it. Get ready.
Speed up! Ah, that was too close.
Step on it, damn it.